Hello, good morning viewers. You are welcome once again to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll teach you how to differentiate these three functions on the board without the use of any formula. This is a very short trick to differentiate a function. Please, if today is your first time of watching, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and also follow me on Facebook page at Shabez Online Tutorial. So the question on the board says we should differentiate the following function with respect to s. And we have three functions here. So the first one is y as a function is equal to s cubed sine 5s. This is the second one and the third one. So let us start from the first one. So we are going to start by solution. So the first one of part of the question say y as a function is s is equal to s cubed sine 5s. So if you look at this function, normally we used to use product rule to differentiate this function, but today I'll show you a short trick to differentiate without writing the formula u dv over ds plus v du over dvs. So, and the questions we are asked to differentiate this function with respect to s. So I'll have my dy over ds will be equal to. So what we are going to do here, look very carefully, but it's very simple, but it's technical. We have two separate functions here, s cubed and sine s. So this is sine s, sine 5s, and this is s cubed. What we are going to do, you cover this right hand side, which is sine 5s, then you copy this s cubed, which is s cubed. Then cover this, then you differentiate this. Differentiation of sine 5s is to give me more, then you multiply by differentiation of sine 5s is to give me 5 cos s, 5 cos s. Then plus, you do the same thing, you cover the left hand side, then you write this one, which is sine 5s. Then you cover this right side, you differentiate this s cube. I've had differentiation of s cube, we use this 3 to multiply by s. I'll have a 3s, then take away 1 from the 3, I'll have a 2, 3s squared. So we have s cube multiplied by 5 cos s. And wait for that to simplify this, which will give me equal to s cube multiplied by 5 cos s. I'll have 5s cube cos s. Then plus sine 5s multiplied by 3s squared. I'll have 3s squared sine 5s. So if you look at these two functions, what is common between these two? We have s squared here and we have s cube here. So I can factor out s squared. So in this left hand side, I will left with 5s cube times multiplied by this to also give s multiplied by s squared to also give me s cube. So this place will remain only s cos s. Then plus this s squared is already out, so I'll have 3 sine 5s. So this is the differentiation of s cubed sine 5s with respect to s. So let us look at the second part of the question. We see y is equal to s to the power of 4 5s. So you do the same thing with respect to s. I'll have my dy over ds will be equal to, then you do the same thing. Instead of using product rule formula, we're going to cover this one in the left hand side. We are left with s to the power of 4. Then you cover this, you differentiate this, multiply by differentiation of 5s. If you want to differentiate 5s, remember this 5s is the power is raised to the power of 1. 1 multiplied by 5, it will give me 5. Then s, take away 1 from 1, it will give me 0. And then number raised to the power of 0 is 1. So 5 times 1 is to give me 5. So derivative of 5s is to give me 5. Then plus, you do the same thing, you cover this in the left hand side, then you copy this 5s, multiply by, then you cover it, you differentiate s to the power of 4. The derivative 4 times s, it will give me 4s. Then take away 1 from the 4, it will give me 3. So from here, I can wait for that to simplify this. 5 multiplied by s to the power of 4, I'll have a 5s to the power of 4 plus 5s multiplied by 4s squared, 4s cubed. I'll have a 20s to the power of 4. And if you look at this function, they have common term, s4 and s4. So I can add them together. 5s to the power of 4 plus 20 to the power of s4 20s to the power of 4, I'll have a 25 to the power of s, 25s to the power of 4. So this is the derivative of this function. So let us look at number 3. We say y is equal to in ln sine 3s. So what we are going to do here in ln sine 3s, so the dy ds of this function, dy over ds will be equal to, in sine 3s can also be written as, 1 over sine 3s, then multiply by, I'll differentiate this denominator, which is sine 3s, and if you differentiate sine 3s, it will give me cos 3s. So I can went further to simplify this. 1 over sine 3s multiplied by cos 3s, I'll have cos 3s over sine 3s. And if you divide cos 3s over sine 3s, so it will give me 3 cot 3s, 3 cot 3s. So that is the derivative of this ln sine 3s. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on Facebook at Shabest Online Tutorial. Please do share this video.